The 9 Steps to Feng Shui system is a method to learn and practice Feng Shui that creates dream homes and happy lives. In the 9 Steps to Feng Shui system, we correlate the 9 principles of natural law according to ancient Chinese philosophy, and we correlate them with 9 steps that you have to take in the home to turn your home into a dream home where you can be happy with the people you love. Steps number 1, 2, and 3 have to do with architecture. That is for the earth level of reality. Steps number 4, 5, and 6 have to do with interior design. That is the humankind level of reality. And steps number 7, 8, and 9 have to do with furniture, which is associated with the heaven level of realities. This one is for how the building was built. That is action in the physical universe. Interior design has to do with our emotional connections to the space. And furniture, that has to do with the most mobile aspects of the home, which are symbolically connected to our ideas.